Hey everyone. Today, a lot of young people around the world are starting their lives full of dreams. But because of many challenges and responsibilities, they often struggle to achieve what they truly desire. Today, we're going to look at the story of one such person who's fighting through life's difficulties. I believe this story will be relatable to many people watching this video. So let's dive right in. Welcome back to Prime Invest Channel. Michael was born into a middle-class family in a small town. He's the hero of our story. Michael's father owned a small restaurant. No matter how hard he worked day and night, he could never grow the business beyond a certain point. Because of that, the entire family went through many financial struggles. Michael grew up watching all of this from a very young age. As he got older, Michael made a decision. He wanted to overcome all these struggles. He dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. His goal was to open the biggest clothing store in his town. But life had a completely different plan for him. Michael is now 23 years old. He can no longer think only about his dreams. Family responsibilities have fallen entirely on his shoulders. His main focus has shifted towards supporting his family. The plan of starting a business has been pushed aside. After graduating from college, he joined a private company and got a job. Because of this, he had to move from a small town to a big city. As a result, his expenses increased significantly. Every day, Michael wakes up early in the morning and quickly gets ready. He rushes to the metro station, fights through the crowded trains, somehow reaches his workplace, and gives his absolute best effort every single day. He consistently achieves all of his targets. Because of his performance, his manager and senior executives continue giving him more responsibilities. You're one of the hardest working employees in this company. We're lucky to have someone like you on our team. These were the kinds of compliments he heard almost every day. Everything seemed to be moving in the right direction. At least that's what Michael believed. But was he really moving toward the life he wanted? Days passed. Months passed. Years went by. Yet Michael remained stuck in the same place. His life hadn't improved much. His family's financial situation wasn't significantly better. Most importantly, he still hadn't achieved the dream he once cared so deeply about. Just imagine what could have happened if he had completely forgotten that dream. One day, Michael stopped by a small bakery and unexpectedly ran into his old school friend David. While talking, Michael discovered that the bakery actually belonged to David. It had been years since they last met. As they sat together, they began talking openly about life. After a while, David asked Michael a simple question. So, what are you doing these days? When we were younger, you always talked about opening a huge clothing store. Did you ever start it? Michael hesitated for a moment. Then he replied, No. Family responsibilities became overwhelming. I couldn't manage everything anymore. Eventually, I gave up on that dream and started working at a private company. David listened carefully and then said, There's nothing wrong with having a job. You're earning money and supporting your family. That's admirable. But are you happy? You can earn millions of dollars, but if you don't have peace of mind, how can life ever feel fulfilling? When we were younger, you were passionate about starting a business. Now you're constantly waiting for lunch breaks and weekends. You barely have 10 minutes for yourself. You've spent years working for other people's dreams. But tell me honestly, when was the last time you worked on your own dream? Those words hit Michael hard. He couldn't stop thinking about them. Later that evening, he returned home and opened an old briefcase that he hadn't touched in years. Inside were all the notes he had written when he was younger. His business plans, his business models, his future goals, his strategies. Everything was still there. As he looked through those pages, his eyes filled with tears. The dream he once cared about so much was staring back at him. Despite having so much passion, he felt trapped. He felt helpless. The pain of not being able to pursue what he truly wanted weighed heavily on his heart. But what could he do? He still had responsibilities. His family still depended on him. So the next morning, he woke up early again and boarded the metro on his way to work. Today, millions of people around the world are exactly like Michael. They're trapped by family pressure. They're trapped by societal expectations. They're trapped by financial difficulties. As a result, they never pursue what they truly want to do. Now, does that mean going to work is wrong? Absolutely not. If you're working in a career you genuinely enjoy and feel passionate about, that's wonderful. There's absolutely nothing wrong with continuing on that path. In fact, many people have become millionaires through traditional careers. But the reality is that nearly 90% of people don't have the luxury of choosing work they're truly passionate about. They want to. They dream about it, but they simply can't get there. Most people who go to work every day are doing so because they have responsibilities to fulfill. Just like Michael, you may be earning a good income. You may be supporting your family. Yet deep down, you still carry the feeling that you're not achieving what you truly dream about. If you don't want your life to look exactly like Michael's, keep watching, because now we're going to look at another story. In this story, we'll see how a successful entrepreneur used a simple framework to achieve something remarkable. Let's begin. The hero of this story is Ethan. Ethan's life looked very similar to Michael's. Because of family responsibilities, he studied hard and became a software engineer. Every day, he sat in front of a computer screen coding for 6 to 7 hours. Over time, this lifestyle began affecting his health. His skin became dry. He developed acne. He experienced irritation and rashes. His appearance started changing. Eventually, even some of his co-workers began making jokes about it. As a result, Ethan slowly withdrew from social activities. His confidence dropped significantly. Desperate to solve the problem, he began trying every solution he could find. He purchased creams, serums, supplements, skin treatments, anything that promised results. But nothing worked. In fact, his skin continued getting worse. One day, Ethan and his family traveled back to their hometown. While visiting, his grandmother noticed his condition. She asked him why he was spending so much money on commercial products. Then she said, "Wait a moment. I'll prepare something for you." She mixed natural ingredients such as turmeric, aloe vera, and other traditional ingredients. She created a homemade herbal remedy and gave it to Ethan. To his surprise, it worked. Within a short period of time, his skin started showing noticeable improvement. Encouraged by the results, Ethan became serious about taking care of his health. He quit unhealthy habits. He stopped consuming junk food. He adopted a healthier lifestyle. Within just 3 months, his appearance changed dramatically. His skin began glowing. People started noticing. Family members noticed. Co-workers noticed. Friends noticed. Everyone wanted to know how he achieved such an incredible transformation. People constantly asked him for advice. That's when Ethan realized something important. Millions of people living in large cities were facing similar skin problems. At the same time, many of them were using products filled with harmful chemicals and still weren't getting the results they wanted. That's when a business idea struck him. Why not create a natural skincare brand based on traditional remedies? At this stage, most people stop. In fact, nearly 90% of people never move beyond this point. They know what they want to do. They recognize the opportunity. But fear takes over. What if it fails? What if nobody buys the product? What if people laugh at them? What if they lose money? Questions like these prevent them from taking action. But Ethan did something different. Instead of letting fear control him, he used a simple framework to build his business. The framework is called CASE. CASE stands for Concept, Audience, Solution, Execution. Let's see how Ethan used it. First, concept. He identified a genuine problem. Millions of people living in urban environments struggled with skincare issues. Second, audience. He identified the people most affected by the problem. Corporate employees, IT professionals, manufacturing workers, people who spend most of their day indoors. Third, solution. He developed chemical-free herbal skincare products inspired by traditional remedies. Fourth, execution. This is where everything came together. Ethan began creating educational content. He shared skincare tips. He explained common skin problems. He documented his own transformation journey. He uploaded videos to YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Through these channels, he educated people while simultaneously introducing his products. He followed these steps consistently. He studied his audience's problems. He refined his solutions. He improved his marketing. Every evening after work, he dedicated time to building his business. Every day, he posted valuable content online. Slowly, people began paying attention. Within a few months, his audience grew rapidly. Demand for his products increased dramatically. Sales continued rising. Eventually, his business became so successful that he was able to leave his job and focus entirely on his company. Now, think about the two stories we discussed today. Both Michael and Ethan came from similar backgrounds. Both had responsibilities. Both had dreams. Both wanted a better future. Yet only one of them achieved entrepreneurial success. Why? Because success isn't determined by how much you talk about your dreams. Success comes from taking action. Ethan didn't wait for perfect conditions. He didn't wait until all his problems disappeared. He simply started taking small steps. That's the lesson I want everyone watching this video to remember. No matter how brilliant your business idea is, if you never execute it, that idea has no value. And I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. I'm not telling you to take out massive loans. I'm not telling you to risk everything. Start small. Take one step at a time, just like Ethan did. Today, the entire world has gone digital. The opportunities available today are greater than ever before. You don't need a huge office. You don't need millions of dollars. In many cases, all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. With those simple tools, you can build an audience. You can create content. You can start a business. You can change your future. Many successful creators began with nothing more than a phone and determination. If they could do it, so can you. And if you approach it correctly, financial independence may be much closer than you think. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to Animation Book Show. Most importantly, let me know in the comments. What was the biggest lesson you learned from today's story? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.